Dixie Belle carries transfers under the bells and whistles line on the Dixie Belle Paint page. To apply a Dixie Belle bells and whistles transfer, you remove the backing sheet from your transfer. The backing sheet is white, your image sheet is clear. You then take your image and place it onto the furniture. Using your small burnishing tool, apply a burnishing motion to the top of the transfer. You can then peel back that clear layer to reveal the image underneath. When applying a transfer to an inset part of furniture, I like to tape off the sides with masking tape. This allows me to burnish the transfer down and not have any overhang onto the edges of my furniture.